Good morning, party people. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Carmel. Today is Thursday, January 31st, 2019. And guess what, people? It's my last day of being 19. So we're up bright and early. It's 9:13 and I am parked. I'm about to head to the gym and gonna get our last workout in of being 19 because tomorrow we're not a teenager anymore. Oh yeah, 20 years old. All right, people, let's go get a workout in. Okay guys, it is 10:32. I just finished working out. Take it off. I just finished working out. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna shower. I'm gonna get ready for my day, and I think I'm gonna take an Uber to my nail salon in the city, and then I'll just Uber to work from there. You guys, this is the cutest cake I've ever had in my life. I got my coworker's name also because we have the same birthday, February 1st, but she's vegan, so I also got her the vegan cupcakes, and then I got one for my supervisor and one for my other supervisor. So. Perfect. Hey guys, it is Friday, February 1st, and that means it's my birthday. I have done absolutely nothing today, which is pretty great. I was going to do my laundry, I was gonna go to the gym, get some Starbucks. Yeah, it didn't work out. So I woke up at 1 p.m. I replied to a bunch of like birthday messages, and then I went back to sleep for another half hour, and then I showered, and now I'm just chilling in my bathrobe. All right, peoples, we got Starbucks, and I did look my makeup for the most part. I'm gonna go, and when I get back upstairs, I'm gonna do my eyeshadow really quick. Not sure how it's gonna work because I already set my face, but I think it should be fine. I'm pretty sure it'll be fine.
Now we're looking for parking.
Oh yeah.
Which we'll never find. Because parking here sucks.
12 seconds later.
But do you show them the drink?
Right there.
That all spottage?
Yeah. Okay, turn though.
Oh.
I forgot to vlog because I'm terrible, but we're at the sushi restaurant, right? Wasabi. Oh, what did you get?
I got spicy maki combo with soy sauce and wasabi.
You got the spicy beef salad.
Oh my god.
And you got, what did you get, Mother?
Sizzling beef.
And Renzo got a spicy tuna roll. Look how pretty. Alright guys, it is Saturday morning. It's like 10 a.m. or something like that. I have my Invisalign in today, so if I have a lisp, that's why. Today we're going to IKEA. We're doing the room renovation. It's gonna be great. Lit, very busy day. So we're gonna get food first because my brother is tagging along. So we're gonna go to a diner that's on the way to IKEA. Go to IKEA, and then on the way back we're gonna stop by Home Depot to get like filler for the wall. Yeah, so we're gonna get like filler to fill the holes. Yeah, and then we come back, and then we have to paint and build all the furniture. Okay. Okay, super quick OOTD. My jacket is from Princess Polly. Favorite jacket ever. So warm. I have my For the Kids hoodie from Shadow Hill. My pants are from Loft. And then I have my Vans old school high tops.
Hey.
Ah!
I have my MSK ugly sweater. I have my ugly baggy jeans.
From where?
And I have my nice sneakers
From what?
Hollister.
Oh, hey, they're not ugly. Welcome to my crib. This is my living room. Everything is from IKEA. Yeah, see, I can just drink my coffee on my night table. Now come, let me take you into the dining room. This is my dining room. Everything is also from IKEA. But I tried to stick with the very neutral, you know, color scheme. And then in the dining room, there's also an office because I like to do my cookbook making here. Yeah, I have some books about, they're in Swedish because I'm multilingual. And then this is my kitchen. Look at this nice countertop with the white brick backsplash.
Everything's from IKEA.
Everything is also from IKEA. I have this cool faucet, which
It's from IKEA.
I don't have water right now. That's why it's
What
not
about the
working.
sink?
This sink is cool. It's actually just like installed in it. Lots of storage space. Let's see my garbage can.
Watch this, close it. Look at that.
Look at that. Noise.
That's
no
why
noise.
you buy things
No
from
noise.
IKEA.
And then, look, this is my pantry. I have some rice in here, some like spices and herbs, sesame seeds, you know, some cool bowls, and then I keep my,
Oh, get to the stove.
this is for my, the cakes that I bake, you know, casual. Then over here, I have some onions and garlic just casually hanging. This is my stove. So then here is my oven. It has a digital clock on it, which is super cool. See, I can bake,
Digital
boil,
dash.
keep warm. Look, I have some pans in here and some wood because I
Burn my
like
house
to
down.
burn my house down. Then I have this candy
Hello,
jar.
you forgot about the
Oh, and then I have
fan.
a vent to ventilation.
Also not
And it
working.
also has like a thingy there. That's cool. Yeah. So, and then I have a clock, which it works. Look at that.
And it's
Boom.
from IKEA.
It's also from IKEA. Oh, and then if you want a what's in my fridge, there's nothing because
2019 diet.
Nook that I have like a ladder on so that because I couldn't afford bar stools, so
Because she's
this
a dork.
is good
Because
to
you
like chill
shops
on.
at IKEA.
And the same backsplash is fluent throughout the whole kitchen, so I have like my toaster and what I bring. All right. Okay, people. Successful IKEA trip, I would say, right?
Yeah, I
Okay.
broke my face.
So I got a stool. I'm gonna put this like over the stool so it looks kind of chic, you know. And I love how I found the gray one right as we were leaving, so it's perfect. Then I got like an organizer for the desk. I got a jar to put some knickknacks on top. Got like a lamp, light bulb. I got some storage bins. And then we got the glass desk, and then we ended up getting the Kallax, the smaller shelf.
Big.
Are you excited?
Are you excited?
I'm so excited. Opening the paint.
Oh my god, people are gonna comment that we're so retarded.
But it's true though. You
Okay.
have someone who's like
show
mentally
you how to do
brain
it.
damaged,
No, it's
a
okay.
person that doesn't know how to do anything, and another one.
2 hours later.
I am not smart.
The next day.
Alright guys, we got more rollers, more paint. It's beautiful out. How do you feel? Stop running away from me.
I want a car wash.
Oh, okay. Alright guys, I literally look like a giant mess. I have paint in my hair. Oh my god, that's literally like a clump. Oh. Wow, okay. I look like a mess. But look how good it looks. So I just finished painting the molding. The paint on the wall is dry. It's lit.
Hey, Bubby.
And me.
Yeah. So now we're gonna clean up the inside of the room and then start building the stuff to put inside. So the walls look so good. We still have to do the ceiling because we have to like tape the wall so we can paint the ceiling. a fresher paint of white. But the door looks great, the mirrors look great, the walls look great. Hey, yeah, so everything looks so good. So this is like my final setup. I have my busy being creative, like my little light board there. Everything is somewhat organized. For the most part, like this is like miscellaneous stuff that still needs a home, but it's fine being there, but I know exactly what's in there, so I know where to reach for. I have like my office stuff, my art stuff, I have my like my yearbooks and stuff, my makeup brushes in there, electronics, my camera, a little sign, and then this is like more miscellaneous stuff, but that one's like really heavy. But for the most part, like I feel like I don't need any more bins, because even though like those two are super messy, I know exactly what's in there, so I think it's fine. And then I have up here, I have like my candle, my lamp, I have some like jewelry, well not jewelry, like hair ties and hair clips, and then I have like my amethyst over there, and then I kept this marble slab, so I was gonna throw it out, but Evan said keep it. Then I have a water bottle, it doesn't go here, but I was using it. And then I have my TV, I have my Apple TV set up, everything's good. I have some books over here. This like board, and then this collage I'm hanging tomorrow morning like up there. So the bigger one is gonna go right up there, and then the smaller one's gonna go next to it, just to add something on the wall. So good, I love it. Love, 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 love it. Then I have the lamp, which was here from before. I just kept it because honestly, like I was gonna get a new floor lamp, but looking at it now, like I don't mind, even though it's gold, I don't really mind how it looks, so I think it's fine. And then in this corner, instead of putting up shelves, I ended up just having my books stacked up like that, because I think it's fine. Then I have like my tripod, a yoga mat, my brother's guitar is over here. Then this stool I ended up keeping, I just put the blankets away. And I want to end up, this is going to go away, I just need it for storage for a little bit. But I'm getting an ottoman, like a gray, it's literally the exact same pattern and print and color as that, it's like matching. So I'm getting that, that's going to go here, and I'm also going to use the inside as my hamper. Is that weird? I hope not, but. And then I'll get like a furry pillow to go on my window. And then the desk, oh my god you guys, the desk, I'm just so happy that it's tiny but it fits everything. It's great. So I have like my little pin board up here. Then I have all my stuff. I have a little, this I've had for years, but I have my office stuff because it's like a desk and a vanity. So I have my office stuff, my jewelry, some more like miscellaneous stuff like post-its, stamps, notepads, all that crap. These perfumes, I don't really wear them anymore. I was thinking of like getting rid of them, but like Evan's telling me not to, so I'm gonna hold on to them for a little bit. Don't know where I'm gonna put them though. This is like an extra bin, and my iPad, my planner, and then up here, I love it. I used one of the BH Cosmetics like brush holders that I got with one of the sets. I use it as my pen holder thing. Then I have my glass, like everyday makeup stuff is here. My everyday perfume, which is, by the way, Jo Malone Peony and Blush Suede. The best ever. Highly recommend. Yeah, and then I have to put my measuring tape away. And then I love this little, it's not even a cabinet, like layer section. Keep my office stuff. Have the extra organizer for my makeup and stuff. So this literally fit everything that I have. So like all my palettes fit perfectly in here. The only thing that didn't fit in this like section was my makeup brushes, but that's because my makeup brushes are literally this whole box of it. Yeah, like that's all makeup brushes, and then I have like skincare stuff, like face masks and stuff in there, so. Yeah, and then I got, this is my trash can that I've had. I got it like a few months ago. And then the stool, this I'm so proud of. I think I showed you guys. It was like a $5 stool, and then I got this rug and just threw it over it. Threw it over the stool. I don't know, whatever. Now I messed it up. Okay. So I think that's super cool. DIYing, you know. And then I like that there's enough space to just push the stool in, because I don't like clutter like that. So I like that I can just push it in and then take it out whenever I need it. Yeah, so I'm very, very happy with this corner. And then I gotta get my brother new sheets and stuff so that it matches. I have to get myself new sheets and stuff so it matches. I'm not really happy with the mahogany bed. I wish it was white, but what can you do at this point? So then I have this. This is I've had forever, but I just like hung my 2 bags on there. So yeah, this is the room. I'm so happy. Excuse my mess. I've been up all day working, but I've literally wanted my room to look exactly like this, minus the mahogany. I've wanted my room to look like this forever, like literally ever. So the fact that it looks like this now, what I'm about to move out, it's just it's so great, so good. So I'm really happy, and I'm just waiting on those few pieces, and then I'm actually going to start work on my closet soon. I'm going to start by really getting rid of a lot of things that I don't wear, that I don't need. I'm going to donate a bunch of stuff, and then I'm going to take apart like the shelves and stuff, move it around, get some more like hanging space, get all new hangers, get some bins and containers to really organize that. But overall, I'm so happy, and that is going to be the end of this vlog. I am going to try to cut it down as much as I can, but if it's still long, I'm sorry. But yeah, guys, this has been literally the best birthday gift ever. So thank you to my boyfriend Evan. I gotta say, Bubby, seriously, thank you so much. I would not have been able to do all of this without you. Seriously, you are the best ever. Thank you. I love you so much. And yeah, so guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to thumbs this video up if you liked it, if you like the vlogs, if you like my room, if you like room decorating. Oh, actually, thumbs it up if you've seen tidying up with Marie Kondo, because that is really what inspired me to be like, all right, that's it, we're done, we're starting over. And yeah, be sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and you can go even further and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post, because we are going to be vlogging a lot. There's a lot of fun stuff coming, a lot of fun videos planned. So yeah, again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out, Girl Scout. Catch you later. So cool. They have Don't Forget You're Awesome. They have cool like a tool. You turn me on. It's like a remote. Oh, no way. Look at this.